Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the weekly chart of Pintec technology. Now, I have made video on this particular stock couple of months back. Although it hasn't performed the way it is, but if you are observing the chart, and that's why I take the opportunity, I take the leisure to work on a long-term chart, because at least I have no obligation in terms of time limit. More specifically, somebody want to hold it for a week or a month. So this is not the way I think, because that is the only thing that we can't set is about the time. So if I spend more time if I consume more energy on thinking about how much time will it take, then I don't think it makes a sense. Now everybody has their own opinion and differences about it, but I focus more on trend and if somebody has the potential to work going forward or not. Now, if you're looking at the weekly chart of Pintec technology, although it hasn't moved a lot, but what you need to understand is about the trend and what the trend is saying about the price structure. Now, this stock has been consolidating for the last 2 odd years. So the first thing we can't say is when will it get ended. But what we can say is it made a firm base until and unless there is something horrible which will happen and change the structure. So that's an exceptional case, but for the time being you have your support, immediate support at 81 cents, and you have your stop loss at 75 cents. So this is the level which you're gonna look at as far as the downside is concerned. So don't go below 75 cents, as this will be your stop loss. Now a clear trend has been visible where you can say that the stock has been moving within a range, within a limit, and it's going to move within a limit. So what one can do as far as the trend is concerned, we have to first analyze the current trend before going any further on the upside. So if the stock continues to sustain above 81 cents, then you will have your first target at $1.49. You have $1.92, and you have the upper end of the range. So you have the upper end of the range where you can see that the stock will probably move in between $3 and $3.4. Now, if you are looking or observing the chart, the stock has been moving in between the range, or in between 75 cents on the downside and $3.50 on the upside. So what one can do here is, until and unless the stock moves beyond 3.4 or $3.5, we cannot talk about any further upside, right? So this is as far as the trend is concerned. But because we are observing the long term chart, and there are opportunities, so once, twice, thrice, 3 times the stock hit the upper end of the range, and it has been now moving again towards the upper end of the range. So if by any chance the stock makes a breakout beyond $3.5, then these conditional levels will eventually becomes true. So beyond $3.5, if the stock started moving, in that case, so these are all conditional levels, so and it will get activated only after the breakout. If the breakout happens, in that case we will have our first range, which will start with 4.6 and can go up to 5.65. Beyond 5.65 we have our next target of 8.86, and the big target that we're gonna look at beyond 8.86 will be the high of $13, which we will probably see once the breakout happened, and as far as the long-term trend in the upcoming weeks and months are concerned. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.